The set was built about 5.5 feet above the floor of the stage. The trees and rocks were all on top. Underneath was a circle of television sets and puppeteers. And Frank Oz had his hand up into Yoda so he could make the head work. And the puppeteers were watching. He was watching television, and the puppeteers were watching television, and they were pulling the ears, the eyes moving, the blinking. All that stuff was going on, and all they could see was television sets. The camera had a split thing in it so that what was being photographed was also going to the TV sets below. So they could see everything instantaneously.